Hey guys, here's another vintage Coach unboxing. So we've got this little box here. When we open it, still has the original tissue paper. So here's the bag. Comes with the hang tag. As you can see, it's a beautiful dark green color. Here's the back. So this, I believe, is called a mini belt bag. And when we open the inside, it's got a little slip pocket here. Here's the inside and the creed if you wanted to see it. I'll also insert a photo since it's hard to pick up on camera, just so you can see that the bag is authentic. So here's a picture of the creed. And it has the crossbody strap inside. So this hooks to the top of the bag. These little D-rings here. So here's what the bag looks like. And then you can wear it as a crossbody bag with this strap, or you can actually loop a belt through these little slots here, and then you could also wear it as a belt bag. So it's got two options there, but this is a cute little green bag. Looks like it was probably barely used, really nicely preserved over the years. So the style number was 9826 and it's called the mini belt bag in green. So yeah, that's the mini belt bag. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you guys next time.